Okay, now I open my pgadmin and I recommend you open it also. I am to my course, to our database, to our schemas, public. I will go to tables and I will right click on any table. I will type query tool, and in this video you will find a file attached to it, and that file will have a script, and I want you to copy all the necessary information in that script that you downloaded, like this, and I will select all. You can select all and then type run. Don't bother to try to understand this. It's just what are we doing here? We are creating the table product. We are also creating the table product tables. We are adding that relationship between product and product details here, and also we are adding the other side of the relationship between product details and product, and also we are inserting some information in our product table and also in our product details, and we are also setting up the relationship in our rows. And for now I will right click on tables and type refresh, and here we see we have these two tables. And for now let's just try to select from product, and you can see here we have 4 rows. And also I will right click here, query tool, to open another tab, and I will type select from product details, so we can see if we have the information from product details, and you can see here we have. And notice that some columns are null. Null means there is not information in it, because we can do this, and it's not mandatory, only if you specify when you create the table to have the relationship set. And it's necessary for us to understand some types of joins. And for example, let's try here to join these two tables, and based on what you learned from the other video, try to pause and try to join this table with this table. Try to see how look on the other video and try to figure out how can you write the query. You can pause now and try. Have you managed to? If not, let's see what we can do. So first we are going to to set the query like this, to remain the queries, and then what we will want is type join, right? And what we want to join? This table with the other table, product details. And then we will need to specify to Postgres the conditions on the joins. On is the keyword, product details ID equals with product details product ID. So this is the condition. I want you to join these two tables on the condition that this column, this value from this column here, is equal with this value from this column here. And if I type either F5 key or start, you can see here that I have only 2 rows, where if we remember we have 4 rows in both of our tables. And this is the answer to why it's 2 rows, is because this join is basically an inner join, and it's the way inner join works, and we will see in the next videos how different types of joins works. Now we just wanted to create the table and test it and see if it works. If you type inner join or okay, I will start, or inner join or join, it's basically the same thing. Postgres automatically does an inner join behind the scenes. Okay, so let's see in the next videos what type of joins we can have. We can start with the inner join.